Hi, it's Modern Day Trading with some live footage from Halloween 2016. So my first trade is Nike. I get in a couple times and I get stopped out. So right here I just shorted 300 shares of Nike right underneath 51 and I put my stop right at 1 cent above 51. So just got stopped out there. Was hoping that 51 would just hold and it would just break down, but it broke above 51 by a little bit. Not too much, so I gave another try and I just shorted 400 shares and I put my stop at the top of that candlestick. So same thing that happened earlier. I got in short, stop right above, and it broke up a little bit higher, so I got stopped out again. If you look at Nike right now, it still didn't really, it broke above 51, but didn't really make a big move up, so I'm still bearish on it, and I shorted Nike again, another try. This time I put my stop at 51.05 and it's starting to head lower, so I'm looking to add some more to make up for all the lost trades I had earlier. So now I just added some more short on Nike and I have 800 shares of Nike averaged at 50.94 short and my stop is at 51.05, so about 11 cents. That's my stop. I'm just looking to see this continue lower on the downgrade and a downtrend on the daily charts as well. I'm gonna speed up the clip so you can see how it goes. So took a couple tries for me to get in and I didn't want to just not have a stop or because anything could happen there. So couple tries first, but I made sure I had a little bit more size to make sure I can make up for those losses and then some. So right now Nike just broke lows of the days and I'm looking for some continuation on the downside. And it's just about to break pre-market lows right here. And I'm just took some off my position, covering around the 50 cent area. Pretty nice early move. Definitely worth getting in with more size. So it's about 50 cents right now, a little over 50 cents. So right here, I'm taking a lot more off my position. Don't have too much left. It was a really nice move early on today, first trade. Well, took a couple tries, but I count this as the same thing. And I just covered most of my position on that final pullback right there. Only have 50 shares just to track it, and I just gave it to 61 on the trail, 61 cents. So there you have it, I got stopped out. And that was about a 50-cent average trade. So now I'm looking at CAH, seeing that it's kind of making a bullish flag and just popped up a couple times doing the same setup. So I'm looking to buy CAH right here. Pretty much it's trending higher. Looking at the chart intraday right now, it looks pretty explosive. So I just bought 500 shares of CAH and I just put my stop really tight right at 69.99. And I'm trying to see if it can break that last previous high I just made. It just broke it right there. Hoping it could pop up a lot higher. I went past the 50-cent mark and I'm trailing it below 50 cents. So that it just wicked down and I got out of a little bit more than half my position on CAH. Caught about 40 cents on that. And I just took the rest out. Treated it like a scalp. So it's 500 shares, 30 to 40 cents. Second trade. And all out right. Just got alert on KC, CASY. And it has pretty little volume, but I think it bottomed out here, broke a spot, didn't really have any more selling as I expected, so I'm gonna look to buy it here for a reversal. Alright, just bought CASY. not too much, and I'm putting my stop at 111.49, and my price is at 111.57 right now. There's very little volume on CASY, so I'm gonna watch it carefully and make sure I get out, take profits. Alright, there you go. It's a nice little pop right there. Looks like it was a reversal. Sped this up a little, 3 times the normal speed. And I'm looking to see if it can break 112, see what happens at that next number. It's very thin stock, lightly traded, but working so far. Another little push to the upside. Have an offer at 111.94 to take off 100 shares. It's about to fail me. So I got those, and I want to see what happens at 112. There's very little volume, so if it doesn't hit 112, I'm just gonna take it right now, the bid. DRI, I just bought 400 shares above the highs. In case you missed that, I just sold CASY, so I sold KC, and now I'm concentrating on DRI. It broke a 4-month consolidation range, so I just bought the highs on that break. 400 shares at 64.07, and I'm just giving it to 63.99. Pretty much I've been keeping an eye on DRI, and it seems like today I didn't want it to break today, but it broke out, and I'm just decided to get in on the 4-month breakout. So I sped this up 10 times because it's a pretty slow move. Doesn't have really high volume today, but it's currently working up around 20 cents right now on DRI. So once it broke 64.05, it started breaking out. All right, looking pretty good. Got pretty lucky today with the accuracy on my trades. So you see DRI caught about 30 plus cents, and I took half my position right there. So it was a pretty good Halloween start. So I'm up a little over 550 in 2 hours into the day. Thanks for watching, everyone.